you can also your Revit model a bit easier with the naming, so you don't need to worry about putting vision down. So I'll show you how to install it first. So you just want to go to the Software Center, and then you go find additional applications. And there, I'm going to search for bulk rename. And that's it there, just install that. It will do the software install or whatever. Once it's installed, when to your Explorer, like if I click any file, it will come up with the little icon bulk rename here. So once, well, it's installed properly when you see that. So once all your files, we'll just start with everything, CWGs and PDFs. So I'm going to install those, and I'm going to rename here, and I'll open a new window where all your files are, the bulk rename application. Okay. If it's in the window, you've got your files, so different kind of naming conventions, just the way that spat them out. I would select all your DWs first, and you've got these little sections down here. So usually use remove and add. You can use these ones, and you can use like auto date if you want to put down it or numbering, but most of the time just use remove and add. What we're going to do is just remove from number 1. Just hit that, so you just got number 1. Move to, start down the second one. From 1 to up to my actual Revit number. So once the green preview of what it will be, once that's done, hit rename. That will get rid of all the other characters before. Again, you want to get rid of that rev in there, the name. Okay, you make sure you are selecting the right one. So 6, I'm going to go, also I've still got that revision number in there. Okay, now revision number, I know that it's the last one is the revision, so I can put a little bracket around it later. I'll rename all those. That I've got all that, I've got the sheet number and the revision. I can put in this add column, I'm going to put in the prefix, so I'm going to put in the job number and what discipline it is. So that's the start of my name, and then insert, I want to get that position. I want to put it around my region, so that's 1. Name all those.
Could you put the suffix in there as another bracket?
That would get rid of the suffix as well, so that will finish the vision column. So I'll name all those. Now I want to do the same with my PDFs. Okay, so move all for the actual sheet. Get rid the rev and the dash, and just keep sheet number and the revision number. And then square bracket at the end. Okay, sheet number and revision again. So now I'm gonna put in the drawer again at the front. Discipline. And we'll put in square brackets for the revision as well. So just put that all the way up to, and then put the one on the end. And so now we'll rename as well. One thing we usually add is like a dash DWG on our DWGs, just so you can tell them from the PDFs. I just want to select the DWGs only. Then I can set DWG at position 16, so just after the number. We usually do it, or is it?
Yeah.
Okay. After that, always hit rename so it processes. Once that's done, you can just close it, and there are all my drawings renamed. That's it. Yep.
Set up your Revit so it comes with the.
Okay. I'll show you my models. So you set that up before you start a project, because you wouldn't be able to change it on your P at the moment, because all sheets. But the way we name the sheets in MP is we had the number was S00, and then the sheet, the other, forgot what it was called. And after the sheet number, we just put Rev1. When I open this.
That rev is in the naming of the file, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in the actual sheet name.
Yeah, that's how I did it on GWS.
And the sheet name when you update.
Yeah, so we use our master spreadsheet in the model, so we can change the revisions there. But in revision, like you can just put in one, you don't have to use the sheet name, but it's if they're different, it saves time that way. Put them in Revit anyway. So.
Okay, call them bracket one. One bracket.
The limitation with Revit not being able to use characters, maybe.
Oh, okay.
That'd be it. I'm not sure. If not, then that's probably a good idea. But the brackets are different depending on what program you're uploading your drawing to. Some a dash or an underscore for the revision instead of a or something.
Great ideas that never work. Well,
Files, usually it's just takes time to do it manually, but if it's more than that, I've got different revisions or whatever, I'll just put them all in bulk rename. It's a lot easier. Plus, it's easier to not make a mistake if you use bulk rename, because they're all
The
same thing.
Yep. I do revision. Yeah. Because mine doesn't do the revision.
One of my models, so the actual sheet name I have here, so I've got the sheet name and I've got the actual revision there. Let's just see. Yeah, okay, that's why. So the two. This way would different issue on one of my drawings. I would go our like this is using our standard of structural template.
Sorry, just let him, we can't hear him.
Sorry, I did very well. I think that worked.
You want
So here, you want to type it in? Huh?
So say Rev 2 there, Rev 3. So create PDFs of all of those. You print a PDF document writer. I mean, you can use any PDF one you want. They both do the same thing. Check all. You can see that the revisions there. So that will be in the file name. I'll just get rid of the other one.
the replace one more, I reckon.
Oh, in.
So in front of that
Yep.
is all the same,
Mm-hmm.
and then drawing number.
You just
And I
place
normally
it.
just copy it, replace that with just the thing,
Sure, number.
or yeah, whatever it is.
Yeah. All right. So new PDF there. Bulk print. So I want to edit. Right. Ooh,
So you just pick one of them,
this one.
and click it again, and copy file name,
Oh, okay.
like
So
yeah, there.
copy all that.
And then with whatever you want to replace it with.
Oh,
And
if you want to
highlight
play.
the whole lot of
Yeah. Okay.
bingo.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Right there.
Replace the relevant.
And you place the other part. Okay.
No, because your revisions will be different.
Yeah. That's yeah. So
So
I want to keep this one. So I'm gonna actually.
I know that you've done there, insert position at the end, blah, blah, blah.
Yep.
And because that's a prefix, it'll do the both of them at the same time.
So all these ones again. And I want to remove just from the dash to my actual revision number. So that's get rid of to 20, and then want to my square bracket at 16, I think. Yep. And then at the end as well. Read it. So now I've got my revisions, and one that I changed to revision 2 is there, and revision 3 is there. And I know that's all right because that's straight from the decks in my Revit model. So yeah. Cheers. Any other things you do differently, Dom?
No, that's correct.
How about you guys?
Yeah, we use it all the time as well, and
Yeah.
I find it very helpful.
Saves so much time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Name and type, so that way you don't get your DVDs and PDFs mixed together. And even when you have the app open, if you have more than one lot of drawings to edit in a different location, you can use the Explorer here, go to the folder where you want.
Yeah.
Interesting is you rename folders, so if you have a whole folders, save drawing, but you want to put PWGs or whatever, you can create a whole lot of folders and rename those as well. It actually works. I can get rid of these and my folders will turn out like that. So I don't know if it's useful, but it's just interesting, I guess. Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks, that's all. Yep.
Cheers, Jake.